Hi guys, let's make one of my childhood favorites, coconut sugar cakes. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some shredded coconut, some sugar, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, some cinnamon, nutmeg, and red food coloring. So the first thing you want to do is add about half cup of water to a preheated skillet. Then we'll add our cinnamon and we'll grate the nutmeg in here. Now if you want to use ground cinnamon, you can do that. Then we will grate some ginger. I forgot that I wanted to add some ginger in here, so we'll grate that in and allow these to go for about 5 to 8 minutes. So after about 8 minutes, we'll now remove the cinnamon stick and we'll go in with our evaporated milk and the sugar. We'll give it a good stir and allow it to dissolve and thicken up. Now you want to stir this consistently because you don't want the sugar to burn at the bottom. So you want to keep moving it around. So once it starts to thicken, we'll now add our food coloring. I'll just add a tad bit because I want the sugar cakes to look pink. So once we add that color, we will then go in with the shredded coconut and we'll allow it to go until that sugar crystallizes some more. You can tell it's getting there by the sides of the skillet. You can see that it's hardening up, but it's not quite there yet. So we will allow it to go until it thickens. Once it thickens up more and it's almost done, we will add our sweetened condensed milk. We will mix that in, and this is the texture that you are looking for before you remove this from the heat. Once you remove it, this is how it should look, and you have to move fast here because this will harden up on you real quick. So here I have a pan with some parchment paper. I will now place, the sugar cakes on there. You can put as much or as little as you like, how big or small you want them. You're going to put them here and allow it to harden. It will take about 5 minutes to harden. It doesn't take long. And once it hardens, I will show you all the finished product. And here you have it, coconut sugar cakes. I did went in with a bit of sprinkles just to make the color pop and make it look fancy, but it's absolutely optional, and I hope you all give this recipe a try. It was one of my childhood favorites. Once you break into them, this is what it will look like. It is not too hard, but it is the perfect texture. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good day and thank you for watching.